Understanding Evidence Log, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, evidence log. This phrase is commonly used in legal and investigative contexts, but it's also valuable for English learners to understand. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily English. An evidence log is a record or document where details of evidence collected during an investigation are kept. It's like a detailed list or diary, keeping track of items that may prove important in solving a case or understanding a situation. This log includes information such as where the evidence was found, who found it, and any changes or observations related to the evidence. Why is an evidence log important? In legal and investigative work, it's crucial for maintaining the integrity of evidence. It helps ensure that evidence is not tampered with and is presented accurately in court. For English learners, understanding this phrase can enhance your vocabulary, especially if you are interested in legal or detective stories. Let's see how evidence log is used in sentences. 1. The detective added the newly found fingerprints to the evidence log. 2. During the trial, the lawyer referred to the evidence log to prove his point. 3. As part of their training, the police officers learned how to maintain an evidence log. That's it for today's lesson on the phrase, evidence log. I hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Remember, keeping an eye on such specific phrases can greatly enhance your English understanding, especially in professional contexts. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.